Viewers, welcome back to my channel, warren-ma.info. Got some exciting news to share. So we have a bunch of new camera equipment I'm just going to quickly zip through. And then I have another announcement. The other announcement is there's going to be some new future YouTube channels coming forward. One for me personally, and then one about life in Warren, Massachusetts, as well as this current channel that we have here. So that's what the new video equipment is for. So anyhow, so we're operating on a new camera that we have now, and I'm just going to quickly go through the GoPro and accessories. We've got a whole entire big box here full of stuff, so we're going to do a box opening of toys, lots of expensive toys. So first item we bought, which was just 2 days ago, is a GoPro Max. They're $500 a piece. Just got one for now. It's a 360 camera. It films in 360 degrees, and you'll now start seeing some of my videos will include footage with the GoPro Max having 360 degree footage. Bought a couple of GoPro Hero 8 Blacks. Got a couple of these. These are a couple $100 a piece. Those are going to be for like body cam footage and in-car footage and new stuff. So I have a new marketing person that's now handling all the YouTube channels, the future ones and the current one we have today. So we're going to have additional footage. So instead of just seeing the normal boring video footage, or sort of boring, we'll have new editing software and everything else. So got a GoPro mount that you can hold for doing vlogging. That's one of the things I'm now going to be getting into, daily vlogging between Uxbridge and Warren, Mass. Going to be doing lots of video work in Warren coming up. So we got that. Got another GoPro mount here. GoPro clamp, which you can clamp on anything, watercraft, ATVs, whatever. Got that stuff coming up. We got backpack, so you can hook on. Got a new $175 tripod mount for the DSLR camera that we're filming with now, as well as it's got a GoPro mount on it. And then now we're going to get to this big, huge cardboard box that I have. It's been opened. I just opened it. So anyhow, so we have GoPro swivel mount, another GoPro swivel mount, another GoPro swivel mount, GoPro dual camera for 2 GoPros pointing in different directions, dual battery charger, spare batteries, spare battery. This is for biking, from when I start doing some biking videos and stuff like that. It's a handlebar bike mount. We have a foam windscreen from GoPro. We have, what we're using now is a $200 Rode VideoMic Pro Plus shotgun microphone, which is on my new $1,000 DSLR camera. So it's a like a boom microphone for doing professional interviews. Then we have another jaw clamp that you just saw. GoPro bobber floating hand grip. That's for, I'm going to have some watercraft jet ski videos coming up soon. That's for that. Then we have the another GoPro 8 Hero Black box. Actually, this is the original box. One of them came in. And we have a suction cup mount for some future videos I have coming up. Then we have another suction cup mount. This is for the GoPro Max. They're cover replacement kits to protect the lens. Another GoPro suction cup mount. Let's see, then we have SanDisk memory cards. I just bought 20 of these. Then we have, let's see, Amazon Basics, a GoPro case for all the GoPro and equipment. We have a, I forget what this is. I ordered, as I said, $5,000 worth of stuff. So, oh, this is a GoPro selfie stick extension. Also works with other regular cameras too. Let's see, then we have, oh, GoPro the handler, floating grip, which is the GoPro brand. Some GoPro accessories. And then we have the, switch pod. That was that mount I held in the beginning. Switch pod, this is about $175. This is about $50, which is a ball head that mounts on top of that. Let's see, then we have, oh yeah, that's right, then I ordered a Rode Video Micro small microphone for the camera. Double ball clamp set for the camera. Then we have sleeve and lanyard for our GoPro Hero 8 Black. Some lanyards for GoPro, so if you're doing stuff outside, you don't lose the camera. Then we have a smartphone mount that I bought for all my mounts for the cameras and stuff. So if I decide to do vlogging with my cell phone, that's the holder. That's another holder. Then, let's see, oh, back strap mount, that's what I showed you earlier. Let's see, then we have a magnetic swivel clip, that's another one. Then GoPro curved and flat adhesive mounts, bought extra of those for helmets and stuff. Let's see, then we have, oh, that's for the GoPro Hero 8 tempered screen protectors. Then I bought another GoPro 8 Black. And this is the media mod for it, for doing vlogging. So I have a couple of vlogging cameras, as well as a GoPro I can use for body camera, and then I have the DSLR camera that we're filming on now for actually filming like today. And then we have the GoPro El Grande extension pole. Let's see, and then we have Insignia accessory kit for GoPro, which has mounts, chest harnesses, head straps, floating handles, monopole, suction cups, all sorts of stuff inside. Then we got a protective housing for GoPro 8 Hero Black. And two things left, action, the camera accessory kit, one of those. And the last item in this big box that came from Best Buy is mount adapter. That's between my camera stand for the DSLR camera and allows you to attach GoPro stuff to it. So that's what I wanted to do today's video on, is announce that we have a whole slew of brand new camera equipment. And then this new DSLR camera will now be used for filming Warren public meetings, which actually films in 4K for better quality, and with the $200 shotgun microphone on the top, it'll improve the audio, so I'll have much better video recording equipment for that in the future. And as I said, I'm getting into daily vlogging, so eventually there will be another YouTube video like this with an announcement of the actual names of the YouTube channels, one for me personally. I haven't quite decided what to call it yet, but it might be either just my name, Michael Burrill, or it's going to be called My Life in Warren, Mass, or something to that effect. I haven't determined an exact name yet, but anyhow, other than that, not much to discuss. I'm doing well. Hope everybody's doing fine with the situation going on and staying healthy. So I have been fine, no issues. Just been hanging out, staying quiet for now, and so there will be a lot more videos coming. Some personal ones, some from the warren-ma.info will be coming soon on some updates. So other than that, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video and all the videos, and stay tuned. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notifications to have notifications on. And as always, I appreciate your time and watching my videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thanks.